Welcome to this overview video and explanatory video on the concept of micro swing trading with chart patterns, brought to you by chartpatternsmastery.com and our new Chart Pattern Strategic Mastery program, where we're looking to teach students how to trade chart patterns, but we're actually looking to turn our students into super traders, high-level strategic traders that can always have a move for the marketplace by learning and assimilating various chart patterns of ours. Now there are all sorts of standardized chart patterns, and you've seen them ad nauseum, but for the most part, they don't mean a whole lot to people. So we've torn all that down and we've rebuilt the whole chart pattern concept, using the concept that the marketplace speaks, and what it says is on a price chart, and those patterns on the price chart are phrases, they're sentences, they're thoughts, and then there are also paragraphs, and there are also chapters, and basically it's an ongoing book per instrument. And so there is a way to read what the market is saying and react to it, and you can do so, or when you do so, you can learn to enter and exit into trades in a way that can be extremely profitable with very good business math. That means reward to risk ratios. All right, so now what's this micro swing trading with chart patterns? What's micro swing trading? Well, it's something I call trading the bars that are less than day bars, whereas we look to get inside the price swing. What does that mean? To get inside the price swing, we go on the bars such as 60-minute bars, could be 30-minute bars, could be 120-minute bars, or just variations of those numbers. And those bars can allow us to get inside price swings that we wouldn't capture for the most part on the day bars. Now, also, there are a lot of opportunities or extra opportunities from micro swing trading, but also in a common price swing that you would see on the day bars, you can often usually enter earlier and then exit later with a more precise entry and exit in order to make more money from that swing. Also, you can use a micro swing level to determine these power swings and these power trends, these 2-week type of super swings, 2 to 4 week type of power trend where the instrument just takes off in one direction relentlessly, and that's a beautiful thing because we can just get in front of that and let that sucker ride and give us a lot of profits, particularly if you are trading options or futures. But of course, hey, stock is great too. So I don't know if you can see this or not very clearly. It's a little fuzzy. I did a screenshot. Here's a chart pattern in motion done repetitiously. Oops, come back here. All right. And you can see this example here. This is just 30 days, And you can see here on Netflix, we have 77 profit points, all added up, wins versus losses. Netflix here, we have down here 61 points, And then you have SPY, you have 16 points. Now, that may not seem dramatic in terms of numbers, but when you think in terms of 30 days, that's a lot of money, especially if you can smart leverage that with options and even very short-term options, even going a little in the money to kind of counteract the hyper premium decay that comes with the shorter-term options, or just ride the stocks, or whatever, use it on other instruments. But that's just a picture. There's different styles of trading chart patterns with micro swings that we'll cover in time in this membership here, or you can come to the site and see what we have available as individual products. Start putting these to work. I think chart patterns trading is one of the best ways to trade, and I think that if you learn to acquire strategies, acquire means not just acquire them to sit on your computer, but acquire them into you, that you assimilate them as knowledge and understanding, but experiential understanding, where you actually go not only study these historically, but you actually start trading them, okay? Or even at least historically trading them, pushing back the charts and going bar by bar. And you can get a lot of work in done that way. But learning how to trade these various patterns so you get them to the point where you got it, okay? You can recognize as they're forming, and you can prepare yourself, you can anticipate and then pounce. But also you can take these chart patterns and you can trade them systematically like I showed below, or you can take the chart pattern and then you can optimize them with other factors. You can look at ranges and bigger picture data, bigger picture trends, bigger picture support and resistance, and so on and so forth. Or maybe you're in trend, and all these other factors you can bring into play. And to be highly strategic and hunt down your prey, as they say in the hunter style of strategic trading, which that's pretty much what strategic trading is. You're searching, you're roaming the land for opportunity, you spot your opportunity, and then you anticipate. Okay, you prepare yourself, you position yourself, you stalk the prey, and then you pounce. I know it's not the prettiest concept, but hey, that's nature. But in the marketplace, that mentality may be a good one, in that we have to have a very serious mentality towards executing our trades well, because we get so distracted with the noise of the marketplace, the other voices in the marketplace, and the chitter chatter that pops into our heads, our hearts on the inner game basis. And then on top of that, we have whatever from the media, if you're fooling around on message boards, okay. And then who knows, social media and all these other distractions these days. Anyways, so let me pull back here and limit this video, because otherwise I'll just keep on talking. So that's about it. I just want to get you this concept out there as it has come about. And so I want you to go check out this chart patterns strategic mastery program. Okay, like I said, you'll save a lot of money. But you'll save a lot of money from avoiding mediocre trades into the future. But you also learn all sorts of things about trading well, and you'll learn all sorts of things about you're going to learn our chart pattern strategies. Okay, and you're going to save a lot of money by being a member here. And your membership gives you access to these strategies as long as you're a member there, of course. But so come on over and get started, or just check out more information and see what else we have too. Thanks.